Today we'll learn about modes of transportation. In ancient times, boats, bullock carts, and horse-driven carriages were the only means of transportation. But nowadays, quicker means of transportation have been developed. The different modes of transportation can be divided into three main categories: land transportation, water transportation, air transportation. Let's first study about land transportation. It is the transportation of goods or passengers on roads. Different types of vehicles are used to cover distances. Bikes and scooters might be used for short distances. Whoa, it's a car. Some people use cars. Oh, look, a taxi is coming. We can cover short distances with taxis. This is a truck. Trucks are used for covering long distances and carrying heavy loads. Buses are an important mode of transportation. Almost all states in a country have their bus services, and thousands of people travel on them. Ah, this is a train. Trains carry people over long distances. We go from one state to another in trains. Now, some countries are also connected with rail lines. The first full-scale working railway steam locomotive was built in the United Kingdom in 1804 by Richard Trevithick, a British engineer born from Cornwall. Water transportation. It is the transportation of goods or passengers on bodies of water. It's also the cheapest and oldest mode of transportation. The boats are used for short distances. The ancient Egyptians were perfectly at ease building sailboats. Wow, this is a ship! Ships are used for covering large distances. Cargo ships, like oil tankers and freighters, are used for transportation of goods like oil, cars, and food items. Water transportation consumes less energy and allows larger shipping loads compared to other modes of transport. Now, air transportation. It is the transportation of goods or passengers by air. Today, almost all nations of the earth are interconnected by air transportation. We can go from one country to another country in very little time with airplanes. Airplanes were invented by the Wright brothers. The place where airplanes take off or land is called an airport. Shorter distances can be covered with helicopters. Wow, look here. Some people are flying on air balloons to travel short distances, and this is so fun. See this astronaut? Astronauts use spacecraft to explore space. The first manned spacecraft was Vostok 1. It carried Soviet cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin into space in 1961. So there are three modes of transportation: land, water, and air. See this chart. Land transportation, car, bus, and train. Water transportation, ships and boats. Air transportation, airplanes and helicopters. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye-bye.